Good morning students, hope all of you are doing well. Today I am going to start the importance of a place value. Of your previous teacher already discussed about place value and face value. So very quickly I will discuss that place value and face value, and then I will start the new things, okay? And from now I will take your math classes. So students, what is place value? So place value of a digit in a numeral value according to its place in the place value chart. So you know that what is the place value chart? So means ones place, tens place, 100 place, 1000 place, like that. So that place value of a digit in a number. So the place value of a digit in a number is its value according to its place. So here actually in definition is that place. So that place is very important for a place value. To find out the place value, to its place in the place value chart. And what is face value? So the face value of a digit in a number, the digit itself. So face value actually that the value of the digit in a number is the digit itself and irrespective of its place in that number. So for example, here you see that first example, write the place value and the face value of the underlined digits in the number 42 crore 87 lakh 63,408. So at first you see this underline, so you have to find out these 4 and these 8 place value, and as well as you have to find out the face value. So at first if you write this number in place value chart, so you write this like this way. You make a table and you write the number in a place value chart. So we know that we will start from the right side of the number. So see this number, that 8 is in 1 place, 0 is in 10 place, 4 is in 100 place, 3 is in 1000 place, 6 is in 10,000 place, 7 is in lakh place, and 8 is in 10 lakh place, and 2 is in crore place, and 4 is in 10 crores place. Okay, so now you have to find out that what is the place value of 4. So you see that the 4 is in 10 crore place. So you write the digit at first 4, and then you multiply that 4 is in which place. So here you write multiply with 10 crore. So you will get 40 crore. So this is the place value of 4. But face value, we know that the face value of a digit in a number is the digit itself irrespective of its place in that number. So what is that number or the digit in a number is in which place, that doesn't matter. So the face value, actually the face of a digit in a number, the digit is the digit itself. Okay, so that face value of 4 is 4. Now you have to find out what is the place value of 8. So see in this number, where is that 8? So you see here, so actually here 28 is here, but in question is you see that the underline, find out the place value and face value of the underlined digit. So underlined digit means here see 1 4 already we have find out, we found, and now we have to find out the 8. So you see that 8 is in 10 lakh place. So you have to write down the 8 at first, and then you multiply it with 10 lakh. So then you will get 80 lakh. So our face value of 8 is the number itself. So you have to write down the 8. So like this, you see that another example. So write the place value of 2 in this number. See. So at first you have to write this number is in place value chart. So see. Here I have already written this number is in place value chart. Now you have to find out 2 is in which place. So at first you write down 2. So the digit is 2, and then the 2 is in lakh place. So you only multiply it with 1 lakh. So then you will get 2 lakh. Okay, so this is the place value of 2 in this number. Same way, the another example you see, write the place value of 2 in this number. So at first you have to write down this number is in place value cell, so that will be easy to find out the place value. Okay, so see here that first you write the number is in place value chart. You see here that 2 is in 10 lakh place. So if you multiply it with 2 into 10 lakh, then you will get that place value of 2. So see that another example, here I have taken 2-digit number 24. So here you have to find out the place value of 2 in 24. So see here that 4 is in one place and 2 is in 10 place. So the digit is in one place is 4 and the digit is in 2 is in 10th place. So 2 into 10, so see 10th place, so 2 into 10, so we will get 20. So here actually in question is mentioned that the place value of 2, so that's why we will only find out the place value of 2. If in your question is mentioned that write the place value of 4, then you have to find out the place value of 4. Okay, but in question is mentioned that the place value of 2, so you have to find out the place value of 2 equals to 2 into 10, so then you will get 20. So next, write the place value of 2 in 4278. So 4278 you have to write down this number is in place value chart. Then you have to find out 2. Where is the 2? The position of the 2 is in 100 place. So 2 into 100 you will get 200. So this is the place value of 2 in this number. Okay. So let's see. So let's see this last example of a place value. So write the place value of 2 in 7,28,36,099. So at first you write this number is in place value chart. Then you have to find out 2 is in which place. So 2 is in our 10 lakh place. So if you multiply the 2 into 10 lakh, then you will get the place value of 2 in this number. Okay. So like this way you have to solve this to find out the place value. Okay, but in this chapter is actually the most important things is that you have to what is the importance of a place value, or what it is important to learn the place value. So importance of place value concept. Okay, so place value is an important concept that was given by ancient Hindus and Arabs separately during the same period to develop the numeration system being used almost everywhere in the world at present. So you know that numeration system is how much important to learn. So that place value is help us to understand or develop the numeration system. Okay, so the place value concept is of course important for understanding the numeration system. So without the place value we cannot understand what is the numeration system. So for learning of numeration system, that place value is very important, and the concept of place value have to be clear. Otherwise in higher classes you cannot understand the numeration system. So it is also in our daily life, you know that how much it is important to learn the numeration system. So let us prove that place value arises from one of several possible representations of grouping in the counting process. And knowledge of the concept of place value help us, especially when dealing with large numbers and situation as in the following activity. So that actually place value help us when we will take the 2-digit or 3-digit number, that will be easy. But when you will take very large number, that time place value is very much help us to understand. Okay, so see these activities. Okay, so Delhi NCR including Gurgaon, Faridabad, Noida and Ghaziabad. So this is the actually city, so metropolitan city. So inside of Delhi actually Gurgaon, Faridabad, Noida and Ghaziabad, their actually approximate population in the year 2011 is, you see, 2,17,53,486. So this number is very much large number, and Mumbai is in 2,48,395, and in Kolkata 1,46,17,882, and Chennai 89,17,749. So can you read the numbers given in table 1? So you know that how much it is be bigger. So if you know that place value, then we can tell that this 2 is in crore place, this 17 is in lakh place, and 53 is in thousand place. Because without place value we cannot say how can you say this number. That will be very difficult now, because this number is very much bigger. That like 10, 11, 24, this is a small number. So if you don't know the place value, that will be okay. But for this bigger number, 2 crore 17 lakh 53,486, so these numbers compared to 24 is very much larger number. So for this actually we have to learn that place value. Okay. So numbers given in table 1 can be recorded in place value chart. You see here that 2 crore 17 lakh 53,486. If you write this number is in place value chart. So this is our place value chart. See here, ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores. Okay. So he see here that 2 is in crore place. So if you don't know the place value chart, then how can you say this number? That will be very much difficult. So for this actually you have to learn that place value chart and what is the position of a place value. So see here, true place is in crore place. So see this number 2 in crore place, 1 is in 10 lakhs place, and 7 is in lakh place, 5 is in 10,000 place, 3 is in 1,000 place, 4 is in 100 place, 8 is in tens place, and 6 is in ones place. So like this way, if you write all these numbers in place value chart, then it will be easy to say this number. So in word, these numbers can be written as follows. So if you write those numbers is in word, so how can you write? So in Delhi NCR, 2 crore 17 lakh 53,486, and next number is in 2 crore 7 lakh 48,395, and next that 1 crore 46 lakh 17,882, and the last one is 89 lakh 17,749. So like this way, if you write those numbers in words, so like this way you have to write. Search similar data for the year 2018 and write the same in Hindu-Arabic system of counting. So actually this system is called Hindu-Arabic system. So another systems we have to learn, but that one we will not use that much, but we have to know international system. So there have two systems, one is Hindu-Arabic system and another one is international system. Okay. So when there are many digits in a number, it is confusing to read the number. To make reading and writing large numbers easier, the digits are broken into periods. So see here, actually, see this some commas are here. So that is actually the period. So when we read the large number, that time if we broke those numbers into periods separated by commas, then that will be easy to read and write the numbers. So starting from the right end, so you see here we always start from the right end of the number according to the Indian system of numeration, and first period is the ones period consisting of 3 places. You see here the first commas, so after 3 places, so ones, tens and hundreds, then we use the first commas. This actually we are using in Indian system, means Hindu-Arabic system, but in international system we will write that is in different way. Okay, the other period to the left of the ones period have 2 places each, but in the international system of numeration the periods have 3 places each. So that things actually we will learn here. Okay, so see here the first example you see. So these numbers you see here. Okay, So 98 crores 76 lakh 54,321. So this number you see here, we all in Indian system, or if you say it Hindu Arabic system, so that time we use period. So period or commas we are using to break the number. So because that help us to say number, because when we use the large numbers, that help us. If you broke these numbers, then we say it very easily. Okay, so in Hindu Arabic system, the first commas we will use after 3 places. So after 3 places, 1 2 3. So after 3 places the first commas you will use, then the next places after 2 places. So then after here we will use first commas, then after 2 places we will use the second commas, and after 2 places we will use the third commas, like that way. Okay, but in international system we use commas after 3 digits or after 3 places from the right, and then and continue we will do this. Okay, so see here we may read the number. So 98 crores 76 lakh 54,321. The figure for the same number in international system of counting will look like, but the same numbers when we are using in international system, we will say this number little bit different way. See here, so 987,654,321. So see what is the difference between Indian or Hindu Arabic system and international system. So these two numeration system we have to know, but most of the time we use the Hindu Arabic system. Okay, but you have to learn both systems. In this system it will be read as, so see this same numbers when we used in Hindu Arabic system, we say this number like this way, 98 crore 76 lakh 54,321. But when this the same number we used in the international system, we say this number like this way, 987,654,321. We can recall that in international system of numeration, commas are put after grouping the digits of the number in 3 everywhere. So we use that comma after 3 places. So 1 2 3, the first comma we use, then 1 2 3, the second comma we use, then again like this way. So after 3 places we use the commas, but in Hindu Arabic system or Indian system we use commas. First we start from the right end, after 3 digits from the right, the first comma we use, then after every 2 digit. Okay, for example, you see here that second example, you see this example. If I tell you to please write the number, so here I am writing that. See, so see here that 4 5 7 7 6 3 1 2. Okay, so if I tell you write this number is in Hindu Arabic system, then how to write? So at first you write the number 3 1 2. So after we start from the right end, then you after 3 digit we put that first commas, and then after 2 digits. Okay, so this is our Hindu Arabic system. But when we use international system, that time we write the number like this way. So after 3 we will start from the right end, then after 3 digits we use the first commas, and then we continue with this after 3 digits. Okay, so this is actually our international system. Okay, so that is the difference between Hindu Arabic system and international system. So these are the two numeration system those we have to learn, because when you will use the large number, that time we have to know how to read the number. Okay, so for this actually we have to learn the place value chart or place value. Okay. So next is our expanded form. So see here how to expand the form. So see the above number, so means this number, if you expand this number, so how can you write? See here, so if you use the place value chart, that will be easy to understand. So see here, 40 lakh, then 5 lakh plus 70,600, 310 plus 2. So if you write this expand this number, so how can you write? So for this you write this number like this way. So 40 so if you expand this number, so you have to write like this way. See,